Hi friends, today in this video I will give you some basic idea, some basic idea of learning English language. Actually, this is the roadmap of learning any language. So here, this is the roadmap. Where if we are learning any language, we find words. If we have words, then we can express that language. We can construct sentence of that language. If we have, if we don't have words, how can we construct? How can we make sentences of that language? What we are going to learn. So first of all, we have to collect words in our mind. We have to collect words at least at least 1500 words. If we are able to converse in that language. So words are most important. Now coming to the step, next step is sentence. If we don't know the sentence, how many types of the sentence? If we don't know how many types of the sentence are there, then how can we learn any language? So first of all, make sure to learn sentence. If we are learning any language, you have to learn sentence. So focus on the sentence. And second step is paragraph. When we learn to sentence, it comes paragraph. Paragraph is a third step to learn any language. So paragraph is a collection of sentences. So in paragraphs we find a lot of sentences. And if we learned paragraph, in that situation we have conversation. Conversation is the fourth step to learn any language. Conversation or dialogue is fourth step to learn any language. Actually, if we cross, if we cross three steps to learn any language, we come to conversation. Conversation is actually the main idea, main thinking to learn any language. This is the main motto. This is the main aim of learning any language. So all the people wants to converse. So the another way to learn any language. Have you ever thought? Have you ever thought how a child, how a child learn any language? A child learn through listening. First of all, when a baby is born, when a baby is born, first of all, baby observe learning. Baby observe their surroundings. So the in their surroundings, first of all, he have to listen a lot of words. He listens a lot of words, and by listening, he gather knowledge. So any language can be learned listening. By listening, this is the initial stage of learning any language. And if we have completed our learning in that situation, in that scenario, we have speaking. We have second method is speaking. And in India, we are learning language through translating. If we are learning any language through translating, it is impossible to learn any language because we have to think, we have to speak on the spot. Not if we are learning any language, if we are translating in our mind, in that situation, we are not going to be learn any language. The reading part. Reading part. We have to learn. We have to learn English through readings. because through readings, because when we reading some things, when we reading something, we find words. So reading part is a initial level or is a foundation of learning. Writing. Fourth one is writing. If we have crossed, if we have learned three steps after LSR, we have W. We have actually writing. We have to learn any language through writing. So this is the main idea, main roadmap of learning any language. This is the actually roadmap, and I think this is the best roadmap of learning any language. At the end, I would like to say that you all have to immerse with English language if we are going to learn.